In this video, we'll show you how to change the front bumper cover retainers on your Honda Accord. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Honda Accord safely. Start by removing the plastic cover by pulling on the 10 plastic rivets using a fork. Then remove the cover. Now you need to remove the mudguards. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the various screws and clips that hold the mudguard to the fender, bumper cover, and body. Next, remove the mudguards. Using a ratchet and an 8mm socket, unscrew the bolt holding the lower plastic cover in place on both sides. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screw holding the bumper cover to the fender. Remove the power connector from the fog light bulb by lifting the gray tab and pulling on the connector. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Then, unclip the front bumper cover from the side bumper retainer. Repeat this step on the other side. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift the tab on the fender by the headlights. Then, disengage the front bumper cover from the tab. Repeat this step on the other side. You can now remove the bumper cover. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 retaining screws. Then, unclip the front bumper cover retainer. You can order the front bumper cover retainers used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the retainer. Then, reattach it back and screw it back on. Put the bumper cover back in place, starting by inserting it into the 2 fender tabs. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Make sure the bumper cover is correctly placed under the headlights and in the bumper cover retainers by pressing firmly on the upper edge of the bumper cover. Screw back in the 2 screws that hold the bumper cover on the fender. Reconnect the fog lights power connectors. Put the lower plastic cover back in place. Then screw it back on. Put the mudguards back in place. Then screw back in their screws. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your vehicle back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Put the plastic cover back on, then put the 10 rivets back on. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.